Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on a Vivo T1 Pro. To do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now in the top search, enter Microsoft Edge. Install it. When it's ready, you should be able to launch it. Now there's the introduction that you can read through if you want to learn some interesting features about this browser. I'm gonna skip it. Next step is to customize a homepage of this Microsoft Edge, but with different wallpaper, most visited sites and newsfeed. Let's click on the next. Sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And lastly, accept or disagree with data sharing for Microsoft. I'm gonna disagree and proceed. You can also read the terms if you like there. And now the browser is ready, we can open a website. As you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.